Attention residents and business owners of New York City, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Long Island. Are you in need of reliable roofing services? Look no further than Master Roofing, Inc., your trusted roofing company serving all 5 boroughs. With years of experience and expertise, Master Roofing, Inc. is here to cater to all your roofing needs. We've got you covered, whether it's roof repairs, installations, or inspections. Call now for a free estimate, 718-957-0313. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality craftsmanship, ensuring your roof remains durable and leak-free for years to come. We understand the importance of your investment, whether it's a commercial or residential property. That's why we offer free estimates, providing you with a clear understanding of the project's scope and cost. But don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about our exceptional service and attention to detail. Your satisfaction is our top priority. So why wait? Contact Master Roofing, Inc. today for all your roofing needs. Call now, 718-957-0313 to schedule your free estimate. And let us protect your property with our reliable roofing solutions. Master Roofing, Inc. is your trusted roofing expert in the Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, Staten Island, and Long Island.